General dictation 60 words per minute. Get ready, start. In the modern world of today, it is absolutely necessary that communications between businessmen are speedy and efficient. Full stop. Businessmen need to know what is going on in the markets. Full stop. This knowledge is essential for them because it is only when they have this knowledge they are in a position to arrange for the purchase or sale of goods. Full stop. In addition to this, businessmen also need to keep themselves fully informed of the various government policies and, most important of all, the activities of their competitors. Full stop. In order to keep the wheels of commerce turning, communications have to be efficient and in operation 24 hours a day. Full stop. The important systems of communication in operation today are the postal services, telephone, telegram and telex. Full stop. Commercial communications which are not of very urgent nature are carried on by letters, postcards, etc. For instant communication, the most popular system is the telephone. Full stop. The telephone is perhaps the most important part of the equipment in any modern office. Full stop. Telex services provide a direct link between subscribers. Full stop. In addition to these, many more new and fast means of communication are coming into existence. Full stop. The important point in all these systems which must be taken into consideration is that they should be efficient and reliable. Full stop. If businessmen are not able to establish quick communication with other businessmen or organizations, their business is likely to suffer. Full stop. Therefore, efficiency in the various communication systems is of great importance. Full stop.